The topic is, how do you capture the attention span of Gen Zs and Millennials? How do you capture the attention spans of Gen Zs and Millennials? And we're going to be spending the next few minutes on how we're able to do that. Do you have any thoughts about capturing the attention span?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Konnichiwa minasan, bokuwan nanjiro sama desu. Today we're here at IEC for Slingshot Creative Entrepreneurship Summit. So I'm just outside and we're about to enter. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Okay, so we've just passed through security and I'm about to register.
You registered for Slingshot?
Yes.
Amazing. Adult. Asa na to, sir?
Number 7.
Number 7. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sir, entrance nila sa dinner tonight.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
And sir, please, there's one more. I'm giving you chips worth 200. So there are some foods there for sale, so you can use that to buy.
Wow, thank you. Okay, so I'm done with the registration. So I've given the program flow and I was also given chips here, 2 chips worth 200 pesos. So we can use this to buy any merchandise here inside the booth. And also I got here my wristlet, I don't know. This is for our, of course, we can go inside, and this is to identify us for the free dinner. For the meantime, we'll just explore these displays on the lobby, at the lobby area, and before we enter the main auditorium. Okay, right now it's time for us to go inside for the Slingshot Creative Entrepreneurship Summit. So I'm on my way. Oh, I think they have already started. So let's just find a seat.
The other use cases you can use this for. And then I'll give you a resource and communities that you can check it out so that you can learn more how to do this for your business.
Users. And for us, the topic is how do you capture the attention span of Gen Zs and Millennials? How do you capture the attention spans of Gen Zs and Millennials? And we're going to be spending the next few minutes on how we're able to do that. Do you have any thoughts about capturing the attention span?
I don't know, man. So like Gen Z millennials, they kind of have like an attention span of a mosquito, and they're kind of just flying around, and you gotta really constantly throw things in their faces. But Roland can go into it.
And that's exactly it. So one of the things that we talk about is that the average attention span in this day and age is 8 seconds. 8 seconds. And it's a reality that we've been able to have to deal with when building an app for our target audience.
Hi, first of all, thank you, Cebu Design Week, for having me over. I'm happy to be here. So the nice thing with conferences or summits, something like this, is that it's a resource where people get to share their stories, share a startup that they're doing, or their struggles and their solutions, even their journey. So, but things like this, like conferences like this, only happen, how often? And what if we could learn from other people with a push of a button?
Good afternoon. Lovely crowd we have here. Really happy to be back. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Di ko kaduog din yun. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Okay, perfect. Ako I'm really happy to be in Cebu, or actually just speaking in Cebu. For the past 4 years I've been based in Manila. But it's always a nice welcome back home, just to talk about different things I love, but also just talking to fellow Cebuanos. So, what am I talking about today? Specifically today, I'm talking about circular design. What is circular design, and how can all of us be part of that movement? In terms of like the topic, creative cities, being a creative entrepreneur, what does circular economy and circular design have to do with that? I'll talk more about that during the talk, but that would be one of the expectations for this talk. So yeah, let's start. Next slide is video.
Okay, so we just concluded Slingshot and got meet new friend.
Hello!
Okay. Say your channels.
Captures ni Anton. 3 Kama Club.
Okay, so that's it guys. Mag-dinner sa amin. We're just falling in line and waiting for our turn. So it's been an amazing experience today, and after our dinner, maybe I'll just roam around and see what else is in store for us here at IC3. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit this guy's channel as well. I just put the link in below. So hope you had a great day. Bye bye.